Friends, this video about unboxing and performance based gaming test of iQOO Neo 10 Pro. Also, I will share some in-depth information of this smartphone. The dual SIM iQOO Neo 10 Pro runs on Android 15 based on Origin OS 15 and features a 6.78-inch AMOLED 8D LTPO curved display with up to 144Hz refresh rate. It runs on an octa-core 4nm MediaTek Dimensity 9400 SoC coupled with up to 16GB of RAM and a maximum of 1TB of onboard storage. The phone has the company self-developed iQOO chip for gaming. iQOO Neo 10 Pro has a dual rear camera setup comprising a 50MP Sony IMX921 main camera with OIS support and a 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens. Both sensors support OIS for selfies and video chats. It has a 16MP front camera. The handset has an ultrasonic 3D fingerprint sensor and supports face unlock feature. The iQOO Neo 10 Pro houses a 6100 mAh battery with 120W wired fast charging support. In terms of dimension, it measures 1642.92 into 75.40 into 7.99mm and weighs around 260 grams. Let's talk about its RAM. It has a 12GB up to 16GB RAM and its different variant will have internal storage from 256GB to up to 1TB. And about its pricing, its pricing of different variant is different. It has a minimum price of around 3,199 Chinese yuan, that is roughly rupees 37,000 in India up to rupees 50,000 respectively. So friends, that's all about basic information about iQOO Neo 10 Pro, and in this video we have also tried to show you gaming test of this smartphone. Hope you enjoyed the video and please don't forget to like, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.